Good morning everyone. This is Aputi Keisham. I welcome you all to the virtual morning assembly. Here are the news headlines for today. International news. Vietnam detected a new variant of coronavirus. The new variant appears to be a combination of the Indian and UK variants. Sang Ying-hung, a former school teacher from Hong Kong, becomes fastest woman to scale Mount Everest. National news. 9 to 10 crore doses of Covishield to be manufactured in the June by the Serum Institute of India. International flights to remain suspended till June 30. However, all cargo operations and flights specially approved by DGCA to continue. Sports news. Indian boxer Pooja Rani wins her second Asian Boxing Championships gold in 75 kg category. Mary Kom loses in final in 51 kg category. Northeast news. Earthquake of magnitude 3.8 hits Assam's Tezpur on 31st May 2021. The epicenter was 44 km west of Tezpur. WHO has conferred the Regional Director's Special Recognition Award to Guwahati's Dr. B. Borua Cancer Institute for its effort towards tobacco control on World No Tobacco Day 2021. Weather reports. Today the maximum temperature at Guwahati is expected to be 32 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature expected to be 25 degrees Celsius. Well, with this I come to the end of today's news headlines. Stay home, stay safe. Have a nice day.